In this video, we'll walk you through the simple process of activating your SunPass Pro for the Prepaid Toll Program. Whether you're new to SunPass or just upgrading your transponder, this step-by-step guide will help you get started quickly. Watch the full video and learn how to activate your SunPass Pro in just a few easy steps. Step-by-step guide to activate your SunPass Pro. Step 1. Visit the SunPass website. First, open your preferred browser and go to the official SunPass website, www.sunpass.com. This is the official site for managing all your SunPass-related needs. Step 2. Create or log into your account. If you already have a SunPass account, click the Login button at the top right of the page. Enter your username and password to access your account. If you're a new user, click the Sign Up option to create an account. You will need your personal details and a valid email address to complete the registration process. Step 3. Select Activate SunPass Pro. Once you've logged into your account, locate the option to activate a new transponder. Typically, this option can be found under Manage My Account or Activate Transponder. Step 4. Enter your SunPass Pro transponder information. You will be prompted to enter the unique number from your SunPass Pro transponder. This number can be found on the back of the device. Make sure to enter it carefully. Step 5. Choose your toll plan. Next, select the prepaid toll plan that works best for you. You may have options based on your usage frequency or the specific toll roads you plan to use. If you're unsure, choose the default plan that is best suited for regular users. Step 6. Add payment information. In order to fund your SunPass account, you'll need to add a valid payment method. This can be a credit card, debit card, or checking account. Enter your payment details securely and ensure everything is correct. Step 7. Confirm your activation. After entering all the required details, review your information carefully. Once you're sure everything is correct, click Activate to finalize your SunPass Pro activation. Step 8. Wait for confirmation. You should receive a confirmation message on screen that your SunPass Pro has been successfully activated. You will also get a confirmation email with all the details of your account and toll plan. Step 9. Install your SunPass Pro transponder. Now that your SunPass Pro is activated, you can attach the transponder to your vehicle. Follow the instructions provided with your SunPass Pro to ensure it's placed correctly on your windshield for optimal tolling performance. Step 10. Start using your SunPass Pro. Congratulations! Your SunPass Pro is now ready to use. You can start driving on toll roads and enjoy the convenience of automated toll payments. Tips for managing your SunPass account. Check your balance regularly. Make sure to keep an eye on your toll balance and top up as needed. Review your usage. Access your transaction history anytime through your SunPass account to review your toll charges. Set up auto-replenishment. Avoid running out of funds by setting up automatic top-ups when your balance gets low. By following these simple steps, you can easily activate your SunPass Pro and start saving time on your daily commutes. If this video helped you, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful guides. Let us know if you have any questions or need additional help with your SunPass activation in the comments below.